A lot of people have stood up and said how they want to save the world, right? Here's the challenge. The world doesn't want to be changed. And for many, many years, for about 7 years, this event was called Be the Change Event. And I stopped. Does anybody know why I stopped calling it that? I stopped calling it that because everybody wanted to change everybody else's world, but no one was willing to change their own. If I don't give you one thing out of the next 3 days, let me tell you what I want you to walk away with. If you could only walk away with one thing, and take this down, write this note. It's long. It's long, so be ready to write. Get your hand prepared. I'm going to be selfish. Learn to be selfish. The first step to being seen is to focusing on you. A lot of you have already positioned yourself in my Be Seen theme as this. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, I want to be seen. Why do you want to be seen? Because I want to help women going through divorce, right, to triumph. So for you to be seen, you've decided to go plug in a bunch of other people's light bulbs. Let me tell you something. The reason I do this 3-day event is all for me. Everything you will see me do the next 3 days is all for me. It is selfishly for me. I wanted this stage, and I paid a lot of money for it because I thought it was a cool idea. I'm dead serious. Everything I do at this 3-day event is for me. For those of you that are all access, we are feeding you like little piggies for 3 days. I picked every food item because it's all things I like. Yeah, right? Last night, I had an arepa. That was a good little thing. I had one bite and ate the avocado off the top, Kelly. It's all for me. And you know what happens? Because it's all for me, and I am in my deepest joy right now, and I am in my happiest place, and I am in my ultimate satisfaction and fulfillment and joy and deep understanding of every element, you too will find that. You do not change the world by changing other people's world. You change the world by changing your world, and everyone around you is forced to change. I'm going to say that again. You do not change the world by changing the world. You change the world by changing your world, and then everyone around you is forced to change. Right? It's that simple.